Mealtime brings people together. It's more than a time for nourishing the body. We nourish our spirit and our relationships. But tremor, whether from essential tremor or Parkinson's disease, takes away from this experience, forcing people to focus instead on the basic task of eating. Currently, there's no cure for these disorders, and the solutions out there often fall short or are invasive. After seeing some of my own friends struggling with their tremor, I realized the frustration, loss of dignity, and social isolation that tremor can have. I wanted to create something that would allow people to go out to restaurants or simply enjoy a meal without stress. We invented the Liftware spoon to cancel hand tremor and take the frustration out of eating. For the first time, we have the technology to actively stabilize a person's tremor in a device so small that it fits in your hand. The spoon works by sensing a person's tremor and intelligently stabilizing itself to make the food's journey from the plate to the mouth much easier. Liftware is designed to be part of your life. The device is small and portable so that you can easily take it with you when you go out to eat. It's comfortable and effective because Liftware allows your hand to shake, while the cancellation technology in the handle stabilizes the spoon. It's proven to be effective. In clinical trials, we measured on average more than 70% reduction in tremor for different eating-related tasks. It's easy to clean, and it holds a charge for several meals, so you can place it in the charging cradle whenever it's convenient. We're proud to offer a product that allows people to take control of their tremor. When you eat with Liftware, your tremor retreats into the background of the meal, so you can focus on the best parts of dining, the food you're eating and the people you're eating with. We can't wait to bring Liftware to your life.
The promise of freshness is here with the new Food Saver FM 5000 Series 2-in-1 Food Preservation System. The Food Saver FM 5000 system keeps food fresh up to 5 times longer and helps you save up to $2,700 a year. The features are smartly integrated into a compact and space-saving design, like the easy access open roll storage to see how much roll material there is so you always know when you're running low. The Express Bag Maker reduces bag making steps by 50%, automatically creating a seal each time the lever is turned to the seal position. Simply use your countertop as your workspace to accurately measure custom size bags. The Vacuum View window enables you to see where you seal for optimal control and reduces over 30% of roll waste. With the bag in place, push and release the vacuum and seal bar on both sides. The Vacuum View window will automatically grasp the bag and begin the vacuum sealing process. The retractable handheld sealer provides the system's 2-in-1 convenience to preserve freshness of foods stored in zipper bags, containers, and more. The PulseVac feature gives you manual control to start and stop the vacuum process. Store delicate foods like muffins and baked goods with an airtight heat seal without crushing them. With more ways to seal and more ways to save, you can trust your food freshness to the Food Saver FM 5000 Series 2-in-1 Food Preservation System.
Tell me this, how long do you think it would take to make the perfect dosa?
Anywhere between 10 and 15 minutes.
Okay, what if I told you you can get the crispiest dosa under a minute, and that too without hardly any human intervention? What would you say to that?
I'd say show me what you got because I'm hungry already.
Okay, I like it. The lady knows what she wants. Here then is how you make the perfect dosa under a minute.
20 dosas in 15 minutes? Suddenly it sounds like work. Say hello to Dosamatic. This automatic machine promises to make 40 crispy dosas in just 30 minutes, and all that at the touch of a button. Add batter in the batter compartment, add oil in the oil compartment, add water to the water compartment, and Dosamatic will take care of the rest. Of course, it all starts with the start button. Dosamatic releases the batter, sprinkles oil and starts cooking the dosa, and in less than a minute, you will find the machine peeling the dosa off the cooking surface and rolling it up to serve it hot. As the company claims, the machine lets you make as many as 30 dosas in one go. Set the number of dosas and there you go. And take this. This massive gadget is not a humble bee making just plain dosas. It promises to add spice to your life by dishing out onion dosa, masala dosa, or whatever other dosas that tingle your taste buds. What's more, change the settings and choose the size of your dosa, the thickness you'd like. And if you are your mama's spoiled child, you can even choose how crispy you'd like your dosa. All very good. How much does it cost to bring this little beast into your kitchen? $3,000 and a little more. Yes, you heard that right. It costs more than $3,000 to prepare your breakfast. And we don't know how big a dosa maniac you are, but we don't know of many friends who want to eat dosas every day for breakfast. So if you have a few $1,000s to play around with, and if you have a kitchen large enough to accommodate an old 40-inch CRT television set, this Dosamatic is for you. For the rest of you who'd rather just buy a small pan and make a few strokes of the dosa batter and relish an occasional dosa, we say wait. Dosamatic will bring out its consumer version to fit into your humbler kitchens early next year. It may cost you $150 for this royal experience. Our royal guests from the Buckingham Palace have already expressed their desire to get the humbler Dosamatic into their royal kitchen. We promise to keep you updated.
Okay, that's all the time we have on this episode of Tech It Out.
If you have any comments or suggestions, reach out to us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram.
Hope you enjoyed our first episode. Many more to come. See you next week.
See you.
Listen, this is the most horrible drink I've ever had. I'm going to swap it with yours. I've been sipping it throughout the...
I want my drink back and I want Coke.
Let me try it out at least. It's much better. Actually, no, it's not. Okay, back. Cheers, by the way. First episode. Ron, do you love South Indian? Clap karo. I'm not producing this. You love South Indian then.
ये लिंक कर देना.
Actually trying to kill a fly.
The Williams-Sonoma Smart Thermometer is a technologically advanced in-oven probe thermometer. It not only tracks your food's internal temperature, but continuously analyzes the rate at which that temperature changes and predicts when your food will be done cooking. That means that if you're cooking multiple dishes in the same oven, or someone opens the oven door and changes the temperature in the middle of your cooking cycle, you'll still know exactly when your turkey, pork tenderloin, or roast will be done. The Smart Thermometer can be used alone or with the Williams-Sonoma Smart Thermometer app on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. When used with the app, the Smart Thermometer communicates with your iDevice over your home Wi-Fi network, so you can monitor the cooking process, see the current temperature, and view the time remaining all on one screen. That means you're not tied to your kitchen when you're cooking. You can go anywhere in your house that your Wi-Fi reaches and still know exactly what's going on in the oven. The app also allows you to access your cooking history, store notes about and take pictures of what you're cooking, and share your pictures and notes with your friends. If you're cooking a multi-dish meal, you can enter alerts and timers for your additional dishes, and the app will help you track and plan your whole meal so that all the dishes finish at the same time. The app has a number of preset protein types with various doneness settings and temperatures that you can choose from, or you can create your own and set your own final temperature for the Smart Thermometer to target. The app shows you exactly where to place the probe for the most accurate reading, starts giving you a time remaining estimate, and not only reminds you to rest your meat before serving, but starts a timer for you. Using the Williams-Sonoma Smart Thermometer is like having an expert chef with you in the kitchen, giving you updates and guiding you to a perfectly cooked meal.